One question I get asked a lot is how I file my taxes as a full-time freelancer and content creator. And that's what this video is going to be all about. So get your pens and papers ready and take down notes so you don't miss any important details. In today's vlog, we will be answering the who, why, what, when, and how of tax filing. First, who needs to file taxes? Next, why you should start filing and paying your taxes? What are the requirements needed to register as a freelancer? Followed by when to pay your taxes, and lastly, how to file and pay for your taxes. To set your expectations straight as early as now, this vlog will only focus on filing your taxes as a non-VAT full-time freelancer and content creator since my personal experience is limited to this category. So if you're a business owner or an employee with mixed income sources, then unfortunately, this guide is not for you. But don't worry because I'll leave Taxumo's link below where you can book an online consultation with their certified public accountants for your specific questions. Now, let's get started. Who are required to file income tax returns? So according to BIR's website, resident citizens receiving income sources from within and outside Philippines must file income taxes. And that's the reason why as freelancers and content creators, we still need to declare and pay our taxes even if our clients are from abroad. Now, why do we need to file and pay our taxes? Miss Maria Januaria couldn't have explained this better. So in her blog, she enumerated the 6 benefits of paying the right taxes, which are 1. It eliminates the chances of a BIR audit knocking on your doorstep. 2. Of course, it creates peace of mind so you can focus on the growth and expansion of your business or career. 3. It's easier for you to provide income proof for loan and visa application. And I can attest to this one when I got a multiple entry visa to Japan just by showing my BIR tax forms as proof of income. 4th reason is that paying your taxes build good credit score rating. While the 5th one is it boosts good investment value for businesses seeking for investors. And finally, the 6th, which is paying taxes is part of our social responsibility and contribution to our country. At the end of the day, how our taxes are spent is something that is beyond our control. But what we can control is our earning potential. So for me, my principle is pretty straightforward. I strive to earn more, pay my dues, and donate directly to institutions and causes I believe in. But before you can start filing your taxes, you need to register first. So what are the requirements needed for your BIR registration? In a nutshell, these are the following BIR forms and documentary requirements you must prepare. You can pause this video or take a screenshot of this slide for future reference. If you want a detailed explanation of each requirement and how to fill out the forms, I will link the tax guide my co-tribe member George Aurelio created in the description box below. Now, for those who don't have the time to do it yourself, then I have good news for you because Taxumo offers BIR registration assistance. Just send them an email to bizreg@taxumo.com to know more. After you have successfully registered, you will receive your COR or Certificate of Registration, book of accounts, and sets of official receipts. The answer to the question when to pay our taxes is found in your Certificate of Registration. In it, you will see your tax classification, the BIR forms you need to file on a quarterly, monthly, or annual basis, including the deadlines. And here's where the process gets daunting for many. It's how to file and pay for your taxes. You can actually file in 3 ways. So first is via manual filing, meaning you'll have to go to your respective RDOs to fill out the forms and pay to their partner banks. Second is via eBIR forms. So you can download this for free at BIR's website. Here, you can fill out the forms and submit them online. Again, you may refer to the tax guide in the description box on how to answer each field. Then you can settle your tax payables via GCash or through your respective RDO's partner banks. Lastly, of course, is via Taxumo, which is what I'm currently using because it's really easy and user-friendly, even for beginners like me. So Taxumo is an online tax assistance platform that helps Filipino freelancers, content creators, small business owners, and licensed professionals prepare and pay their taxes anytime and anywhere through multiple payment channels. And as I mentioned earlier, they also provide other services such as BIR registration assistance and online consultations with their partner CPAs and auditors. You can register for free using my link to get yourself acquainted in their platform. Plus, they conduct free onboarding session that teaches you how to navigate their platform. Now, deciding whether to file your taxes via EBIR forms or Taxumo can be determined by considering these two factors. So first, of course, is your budget. EBIR forms is free to download. On the other hand, you can also register for free on a Taxumo account with limited access to certain features. But if you want to enjoy the full access, they offer a variety of plans ranging from 200 pesos to 799 pesos per month, depending on your needs. And as a bonus, you can use my code Nikki B and get 10% off on any subscription plan.
Wow!
The second factor to consider are time and convenience. With EBIR forms, it only works on Windows laptops. So if you are a Mac user, it wouldn't work at all. As for Taxumo, since it's a web-based tool, you can access it anywhere, even on your mobile phones. What I also love about Taxumo is that it's a one-stop shop to record your income, expenses, and even attach BIR forms from your clients or employees. So the system automatically computes your tax payables and fills out most of the fields for you. They even notify you in advance what tax forms you need to submit and file to avoid late payments. Hello everyone, so I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what the Taxumo dashboard on the inside looks like after you have signed up for an account. So in my case, I am subscribed under their subscription plan for 1 year. So it means that I have full access to all of their website's features. You can also add more income here or expense. Let's say another client paid you or you already receive your income from your YouTube ads revenue. So just click total income and click add. So you have a lot of income sources. You could add it in one go instead of just, adding them one by one. Same goes with total expense. You just click add, and after that, you'll just put the amount, the date, the OR, the category, if it's for electricity, rent, HMO, then just click submit. For the withheld tax, I've added here any 2307s that I've received from my clients. Now, if you want to check what your tax dues are, so just go to this part, tax dues on your left side. Under my category, I need to file percentage tax returns and income tax returns. I have a notification from Taxumo that I need to amend. Yeah, let's try so that I could show you how easy it is to use Taxumo's website. So just click file now. You will be asked a few questions. So again, earlier we have the cash flow where we can input the income and the expenses. So I've done that. That's why it's already pre-calculated here. Same goes with the sum of all taxes withheld by your clients this quarter. So I've already uploaded all the 2307s I received for second quarter. That's why it's also automatically computed here. So you just click next. And then excess credits from previous 1701 year, your previous ITR, if you have overpayment. Taxable income from previous quarter. So yeah, Taxumo has already computed this. Income tax payment paid since start of this year. Tax withheld for previous quarters. Okay, previous payment. So proceed. So yeah, it will show you your tax due, your credits, your payable, any penalties that you have, then the total amount. Then you have 3 options here. So in my case, since I have overpayment of tax, I just need to prepare and file it. So when I click it, I'll proceed to checkout. So there, after you click checkout, you will get to this page. And since I have no pending that I need to pay, I just have to click file now.
But if you have a figure here, which is more than 0, then this button will become pay, and it will direct you to their payment channels like GCash, Dragon Pay. I've tried Dragon Pay and it's real time. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how easy and user-friendly it is.
So there, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share this video to your friends and relatives who can benefit from this. Again, this is Nikki B. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye!